lovelies, welcome to Ella Skincare, where I give you the best day advice on skincare, cream reviews, and natural remedy. If this is the first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome, and if you're returning, you are warmly welcome. How you're doing? Hope you all are doing good, and I hope you are doing great. So lovelies, today as you've seen in the title, we're going to talk about Nomarks face cream. Okay, this is the face cream we're going to talk about today. Is this face cream? But before we talk about this face cream, if you have not followed me on IG, please follow me on IG at Ella Skincare_1 and chat me up on WhatsApp if you want to get any skincare products, hair care products. I sell original, authentic products and I deliver worldwide. So let's go into the video. So like I said earlier, I'm going to talk about this face cream called Nomarks face cream. Okay, the Nomarks face cream, they have two types. They have the blue one and they have this pink one here. But the one I'm going to talk about is this pink one right here. Okay, last 2 months last year, this cream started trending in the market. Like a whole lot of people, if you go to the market and say they need a nice face cream, they'll give you Nomarks face cream, Nomarks face cream, Nomarks face cream, Nomarks face cream everywhere. So a whole lot of you came to me. I was asking if this face cream is good, that I should do a review on it, my honest review on this face cream, and that's what I'm here to do. You know me now, I always do honest review on products, simple honest review, no matter how bitter it is, or no matter how sweet it is. I'm going to see it right here on YouTube. That's why if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you should please do so. Subscribe to this channel because you're not going to regret it. Okay? And also share the video to your family and friends because you never can tell who this video might be of help to. So subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and share this video. So lovelies, it's written here that the new Nomarks Herbal Skincare Facial Cream, Super Whitening Cream. Okay, Super Whitening. This is where most of you get it wrong. This super whitening is where you get it wrong, and I'm going to talk about it. Trust me. Okay, it says super whitening cream, lightening skin in 5 days. Okay, and at the side there's a before and after picture right here. Okay, this is how it looks like. They say, I don't know if you can see very well, there's a before and after picture at the back, the before and after picture at the back, and at the side it says visible work on black spots. Let me just show you first, okay? This, I don't know if it's clear. This is it. And it says visible work on black spots, age spots, sunburn, wrinkles, age scars, eczema, pimples, and freckles. Okay? And on the other side, there's the ingredients and how to use it and how to store it and all that. Now, let's go to the visible work because this is where most of you get confused. But before I go into the visible work, I want to talk about this face cream a little bit. Okay, Nomarks face cream is a very nice face cream. Okay, it's a very good face cream, natural face cream. For me, I feel it's a little bit of synthetic/organic. Okay, that's what I've noticed from this face cream. It's a little bit of synthetic/organic. It's very nice. It's very good on the skin. It's super good. Okay, when it comes to making your face uniform, removing blemishes, yes, it's a go. It's good, it's super nice. I mean, it lightens your face. But there's some misunderstanding most of you are having from this face cream. That's my brother and sisters who love to like get white. You guys use this face cream and you tend to like condemn it. No, if I say a product is very bad, I must mean it. Like I must have read it, I must have gone through it and use it for a very long time, or give it to a customer to use for a very long time. You must have used it for, before you condemn a product, you must have used it for a very long time to know if this product is really bad or it's not bad. Okay, you must use it. You must be very patient with products. Some of you use products for 2 weeks and you conclude that that cream is not good, it's not going to work, it's not working, in fact it's very bad. No, you cannot say a product is bad or a product is not working by using it for just 2 weeks. I know using the product for 2 weeks, if it's going to work, you must have seen visible results. But yes, sometimes you have to be very patient to use the product for like 1 month or 1 month plus to see if it's going to work on your skin or not. Okay, so for me, for one, this face cream is very nice. It's really good. It's nice on the face. So let's talk about the visible work here. Okay, I want to talk about visible work before I talk about the misunderstanding almost all of you are having with this face cream. Okay, visible work said black spots. Yes, it helps with black spots, but with helping with your black spot, you have to be very patient with the face cream. It helps with black spots, but you have to be very, very patient. With age spots, yes, it helps with age spots. Sunburn spots, it helps with sunburn. It helps with sunburn, but if you want this to help with sunburn, you have to use it with a toner. They have the Nomarks face toner. You have to use it with that face toner. He wants it to be very fast on your sunburn. So for wrinkles, I can't tell you this work of wrinkles. I can't say what I don't know. So I can't tell you this work of wrinkles. For egg scar, yes, it works for egg scar, but you have to be patient with it. It works on egg scar. For eczema, it does work. Pimples, yes, it works on pimples. And for freckles, I don't know. I don't know if it works on freckles because I haven't really seen anyone here in Nigeria that have freckles. But most of my customers abroad, they have freckles and they use my own personal skincare products. So I cannot say about this because I haven't given this to any of my customers abroad. So for ingredients, the ingredients are quite natural. Okay, they are very natural and it's very simple. Water, carrot oil, licorice, aloe vera, arbutin, vitamin C, glycerin, vitamin A, and ginseng. That's for the ingredients. As you can see, it's very, very simple face cream. They might put other things, but they're not written here, but we don't know about that right now. So I'm talking about what's here and the experience from customers that have been using this particular face cream. Now, part where most of you are misunderstanding this face cream. Most of you actually think this face cream is a super strong, whitening, fast action face cream. Well, sorry to burst your bubble. This face cream is not a super fast action whitening face cream. It's not gonna give you that fast action, that super whitening fast action stuff that's written here. Okay, and that's why most of you get angry saying this face cream is not giving you that super fast action that I want. Most of you are saying the face cream is not working. Though it's working. If you look at the back, I'm gonna try to like snap it and put it on the screen for you to see. If you look at the back, it says here that it's a long term of use can help enhance the skin whiter. Okay, long term. You can hear it says long term. This is not something that works very fast, and most of you do not read the back. You just buy, you open it, you throw the pack away, and you start to use. And then at the end of the day, you start to complain that the product is not working very fast. I'm sweating. And at the end of the day, you start complaining that the product is not working very fast. Whereas the product is working, but it takes long term of use for you to see that result. And even with the long term of use, you cannot get a super white result. Okay, it cannot give you a super white result. You cannot get white, but it's not going to give you a serious whitening result. But you will see difference on your skin. Okay, you see the difference on your skin. Now, apart from that, it's a very nice face cream that you can try. Okay, you can try it if you want to. But if you're using any face cream that is good on your skin before, that's good on your face before, I will not advise you to change. I will advise you to stick to the product that you were using. Or maybe unless you want to change your face cream, then you can go into Nomarks face cream. But I know some of you that like fast action products, fast action stuff will not use this. Okay, that's where the problem comes in. Most of you that like fast action products cannot use this because this is not going to work for your skin so fast. It takes time, but it's work. So lovelies, that's the end of this video. If you find it really helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button to let me know you love this video and hit the subscribe button to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, don't also forget to hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Till I see you in my next one, I always say remain blessed. Bye.